Ugh, these flies are relentless.
Think you've tried every fly fix? Wait till you see hack number 5, it's a total game changer. Hack 1. Build an apple cider vinegar trap. Fill a mason jar 3/4 full with a CB. Add just 1 drop of dish soap to break surface tension, then pop in a paper funnel lid. Flies are lured by the sweet scent, but once they dive in, they can't get out. It's simple, non-toxic, and replaces nightly swatting sessions. Hack 2. Line your porch with fresh basil and mint. These aromatic herbs release essential oils that flies absolutely hate. Simply place pots at entry points or near seating areas, and watch as flying pests steer clear. Plus, you get fresh herbs for cooking double win. Hack 3. The Citrus-Clove Pomander. Have an orange or lemon, then evenly stick whole cloves into the flesh. Set these pomanders near garbage cans, sinks, or tables. The powerful clove oil scent masks food odors and repels flies. Instantly all natural, no chemicals. Hack 4. Sticky tape, fly ribbon. Cut clear fly ribbon into short strips and hang them from eaves or porch beams. Flies land on the adhesive and get stuck, no mess to rinse. Just toss the tape when it's covered. It's a maintenance-free trap that works around the clock. Only 4 hacks down, and hack number 5 uses a simple household light, and it really works. Stay tuned. Hack 5. Create an LED mesh light trap. Place a small LED lamp inside a fine mesh box lined with white paper. In low light, flies are drawn to the glow but can't find their way out once they hit the mesh. It's safe, chemical-free, and surprisingly effective even at dusk. That's 5 DIY fly traps and natural barriers with 0 chemicals. Vinegar funnel trap, basil and mint barrier, citrus-clove pomanders, sticky tape ribbons, and the LED mesh light trap. Each one is easy, budget-friendly, and uses items you already have. Which of these traps will you build first? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, and subscribe to the Fixer's Forge for more can't-miss DIY fixes. See you next time.